All blood clad rubbish. What wrong fuck? How would you look wrong fuck? Suck out your mama. You should have got a condom and throw in a bag. Go in a bag and throw over gully. How would you wrong fuck? How would you wrong fuck? How would you wrong fuck? Who have mama? Your parents them eat you because it's a slime. Like your mama. Big and stink like your mama. Anybody big and stink like you. Anybody stink like you want this, go beard. Chunk, I don't want your blood clot business. Come here, go to fuck you. Remember the first house where you leave the boy used to rake up your body wall. A long time your body, man. Long time. Long time your body, man. The first house you leave the boy used to finger you. You forgot? The first time you see what me know you take fuck. Make a reason. Remember the boy who live with first used to fuck you. You forgot? You forgot? You see your auntie house and him throw you out a lie like sure. Don't run up in that clout, yeah. Come out and me and my baby father arguments. Don't run in that clout and run up in that one, yeah.